Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's topic is enterprise data, and everyone knows that ChatGPT is a large language model and it has wide variety of industry applications. So everyone wants to use ChatGPT along with their enterprise data and get most of it. So the question is, can we use enterprise data with ChatGPT? So the short answer is yes, we can definitely use ChatGPT with our enterprise data and make most of it. So the key point here is to understand what exactly is enterprise data. So enterprise data is nothing but the data which is very private, confidential, and that has the public information, including employee information, customer information, and all the key data drivers that will impact organization in certain monetary way. Our goal is to use this enterprise data along with ChatGPT and get our desired results. So you can see this is a key goal. In simple terms, what we expect is that user will submit a request as a prompt. It goes to application and then use ChatGPT model with our organization information and then get us a valid response along with that particular information. This response should be based on the current organization insights, knowledge present in the organization. So this may sound very simple, but the key point is that this organization data has to be outside the ChatGPT model, which is not in the current case because currently ChatGPT model accesses terabytes of data which is kept in OpenAI. So this is the current goal of any particular organization when it wants to ensure that its data is secure and it can use ChatGPT. Can we achieve it? Yes, we can definitely achieve it. But before going to the actual application, we have to understand a basic model that was released by Hugging Face recently, so, which is called as retrieval augmented generation. So this is nothing but a new model that has been released using which we can ensure that data is outside ChatGPT, and we can also pass key information to ChatGPT and get the desired result from the organization data which is outside of ChatGPT model. In nutshell, it makes sure that no outside data or enterprise data is saved in ChatGPT, and all the information is entered into ChatGPT in the encoded format, and then based on some like processing, it gets the desired output. This is about RAC. So let's see now how we can use enterprise data along with ChatGPT with the actual applications and with the actual models that are currently used in the industry. So first thing is LangChain. So this, I think everyone must be aware about LangChain as it is very famous and it has been recently launched. So this model is one such model that keeps the enterprise data outside of ChatGPT and also make sure that we get the desired result from ChatGPT. So what it does is whatever organization information or documents we have, it creates chunks of it and maintains a vector store or a database out of these documents. It creates its own database and makes sure that it is has the proper index and all the proper formats that is required for data retrieval. So whenever a question is raised by a particular user, like analyzes the question, so it derives the key tokens from this particular vector store or vector database and without accessing the actual document. So it won't uh, copy the documents into its own database, but rather access the key tokens or key encoded keywords from this particular database and then do a similarity search in this, and then on the basis of this data it will try to achieve the desired result. So I won't be explaining LangChain in this particular video, so it is very complex from the framework perspective, so you can see a number of videos on that. So this is one way of achieving your result based on enterprise data. So this is one particular application that will help you like in data retrieval and keeping the data private from ChatGPT. The next application is quite similar to LangChain, and it's nothing but Azure OpenAI platform. So everyone knows that Microsoft is working a lot with OpenAI and they are working on number of applications together. So this Azure OpenAI platform has exposed number of APIs to access large data languages or large language model from ChatGPTs. So how can we use this particular Azure OpenAI platform? So one of the application is whenever let's say a user raises a question, so it goes to the application server, and then application server diverts it to Azure Cognitive Search. So Azure Cognitive Search, it uses that particular question or query and searches different indexes, tokens, and keywords and organization data. So it creates a list of this particular uh, operations or rather keywords or tokens, and then collects this particular list, and then it uses this list along with the original query and passes this to Azure OpenAI platform. So based on these particular queries, tokens, and keywords or document indexes, so we get the desired result from ChatGPT. So without even passing the actual information or documents, we can get we get the desired result from this particular platform. So it's very powerful platform, and it ensures that your data is quite safe and not accessible to the public. Along with these two applications, there are certain other applications that can help you to use your enterprise data and get the desired result. Basically, these applications are nothing but the overshell of ChatGPT. They just pass your organization information directly to ChatGPT, and then based on your application, let's say you are running a restaurant, or if you are running some store, so it will access that particular information as a prompt, and then it will give you the desired results. So some of these applications are chatbot, smartbot, then Cody assistants, but this will not ensure that your data is private, and it may cause data leaks. So you can use this application at your own risk. So this is all about your enterprise architecture. So thanks a lot for watching my video.